Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the job safe and legal. Cut power at the breaker and pull the control fuse, then tag the unit so no one re-energizes it. Once done, recover refrigerant with a certified recovery machine. If you are not certified, hire a tech for that step. Next, inspect the condensing unit nameplate to confirm compressor model and oil type, then remove service panels and disconnect electrical and suction/discharge lines, keeping caps and labels for reassembly. You continue by isolating the refrigerant circuit and extracting compressor oil per the manufacturer's procedure. Mark oil amount for replacement. Once empty, unbolt the compressor mounting hardware and disconnect electrical terminals, taking photos for reference. Install the replacement compressor with the correct factory oil charge, swap in a new filter dryer, and torque all fasteners to the listed values. After mechanical reassembly, double-check electrical connections and restore service. You finish by connecting vacuum pump and manifold gauges and pulling a deep vacuum to about 500 microns, holding it to ensure no moisture or leak. Once stable, backfill with dry nitrogen and then charge the system using a calibrated scale to the nameplate weight while observing proper superheat and subcooling targets. After charging, run the unit and monitor compressor amps, head and suction pressures, and overall cycling. If the unit trips or draws high amps, suspect valve damage or wrong oil, stop and consult a compressor specialist before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.